In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage admin and user access in Adalo. We'll walk through where to find your user data, how to add people individually, and how to bulk import users. Along the way, I'll call out what each field means for access and how to keep everything clean and secure. Start by opening Adalo and launching the app you want to manage. Once your app is open, look to the left side and click the plus icon to reveal more tools. From there, open the database section. This is your hub for collections, and the one we care about for access is the users collection. Go ahead and select users. Inside users, switch to the records view. This is where you can see individual user entries in a spreadsheet-like list. You'll notice the standard fields: email, password, username, and full name. Email is the unique identifier people use to sign in. Password is handled securely by Adalo. You don't need to manage hashing yourself. Username is useful for display or community-facing features, and full name is great for personalization inside your app. If your app distinguishes between admins and regular users, this is also where you'll verify whatever field your app uses to indicate role, and you'll make sure each record matches the level of access you intend. To add a single user manually, click the Add User button. A form will open. Type the person's email, create a strong password, and fill in the username and full name if your app uses them. Keep entries consistent and professional. Clean data here prevents issues later with search, filters, and visibility rules across your app. When everything looks good, click Save to create the account. If you need to add many users at once, use the Import CSV option. Before importing, download the CSV template so you can see the exact column headers Adalo expects. This prevents mapping errors. Fill the template with your user's information, keeping emails unique and formatting consistent. Then return to Import CSV and upload your file. After the import completes, review a few records in the list to confirm everything landed correctly. A quick tip on access logic. While you're managing records here, the actual control of who can see which screens and actions happens in your app's visibility and conditional settings, usually tied to fields in the user's collection. Keeping user records accurate is the foundation that makes those rules work reliably. That's it. You now know where to manage users, how to add accounts one by one, and how to import them in bulk. All essential steps for clean, secure admin and user access in Adalo.